Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tighten a canvas and then pre-paint. This is what I always do. You don't have to pre-paint, but this is just like a fail-safe if the silicone produces silicone welds is what it's called, where it's a hole going straight to the canvas and you see the white canvas, and I don't like that. I don't know if people like it, but this is my tutorial on how to do it. But yeah, right now the canvas is kind of flat. I don't know if you can hear that very well. Like, it's kind of bassy. Like a drum is supposed to sound very bassy, kind of tight. And when it's flat, it's like a flat note. Right now it's kind of flat, so I'm going to spray some water on it, and I literally just have a little bottle of water, little spray bottle. Spray this water and just spray it all over the kitchen. I spray the back of it and I spray the front, and then I put it in like on a radiator in front of the fire. I have a gas fire over there, which it's very handy in winter in Ireland. But yeah, let's get started. That was a lot. This is going to be very tight. Let's do like 1 or 2 sprays on the back. Now I'm just going to put this in front of the fire and let it dry, and then we'll pre-paint it. Alright, we're back. It sounds a little bit better now. Dried up super fast. The next thing is this painting. This is going to be in one of my next videos coming up. It's actually a commission. I'm going to prep the board with this stuff. It's called Jamaican Sea by Folk Art and Clade. So we're going to pre-paint this, and I'll probably just speed this up because you'll be literally watching paint dry. Alright, so that's pretty much it. It's very light colour. It's very hard to pick it up into light. But yeah, it's a very light, kind of like a turquoisey or teal colour. I did manage to get it on the table because I'm good at painting like that. But acrylic paint comes off pretty easy. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. You can pour straight on top of this, it doesn't have to dry. I'm going to let it dry because I'm not going to paint today. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. It's simple as that. So thanks for watching, bye bye.